Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon salad with canned salmon. First, drain 1/6 ounce can of salmon thoroughly. Next, finely chop 1/4 cup of celery and 2 tablespoons of red onion. These fresh ingredients add a delightful crunch and flavor to your salad. Have your mayonnaise, fresh dill, and lemon juice ready for the next step. Now, gently flake the drained salmon into a medium-sized bowl. Add your 1/4 cup of mayonnaise or Greek yogurt, along with the chopped celery and red onion. Stir everything together until well combined. Finish by mixing in 1 tablespoon of fresh dill and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Season with salt and black pepper to your liking. Want to make your salmon salad even better? Consider adding 2 tablespoons of capers for a briny, tangy flavor. A chopped hard-boiled egg can boost the protein content and texture. For a bit of sweetness and tang, mix in 1/4 cup of diced pickles or relish. Feel free to experiment with other fresh herbs like parsley or chives. Your delicious, easy salmon salad is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic on toasted bread for a quick sandwich or with crackers for a light snack. For a low-carb option, try it in lettuce wraps or stuffed into pita pockets. This versatile salad also makes a great side dish. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.